Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Dr. B. Srinivaslu, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about uh, the worker participation in management, or we can say that is a labor participation in management. Means here how the workers are participating in a management views. So here the worker participation in management or labor participation in management, both are the one and the same here. Now see what is going on with the workers. Means for the sometimes of a taking of a take the decision making. So huge number are there, workers are there. So they are taking and participating their ideas, their views with the in the absence of a management there. So here the workers participate in the managements here. Okay, in sense of we can say that is a democracy. We can say also in the objective if it speaks about the objective that is a democracy. Human resources also we can say, or we can say that is a satisfies the workers and the labor management of a corporation between they will be having a cooperation between the management and the worker. Means here some ideas, there is some ideas and suggestion from the workers or labor to give the managements here. Means that is the reason the worker participation in the management or labor participation in the management we can also say, means group of that one. And it may be a suggestion schemes, it may be take place as a, or it may be a work committee, we can also say joint management of a councils. And we can also say that is a work directors co-partnership also we can say, joint councils, shop councils, and the labor participate in the management, just I said. Okay, these all things can be taken place here. If see here, what is actually the meaning of this one of a worker participation in management? If I see says about it, means here it may be a workers are it may be a means their communication and consultation, it may be it may be formal or it may be informal, or what happened they are maybe a express their opinion or their suggestion and their ideas which is contributed to the management decisions here. That is a meaning of worker participation in management here. Means such a system of communication and consultants, either formal or informal, by which employees of an organization are kept informed about the affairs of the undertaking, and through which they are express their opinion and contribute to the management decisions here. So just now I said that is a communications, means the workers communication and the consultant, it may be formal or informal. Okay, it may be opinion, suggestions, and the contributor to the management of a decisions. That is the meaning of our, means the worker participated in the management here. Means is a democracy way we can also say. The features of a worker participation in management, it means here what are the features of that one, means mentally or emotionally involvement is rather than a physical presence, means their ideas and their what are the, means they can go with their health, they can go with their safety. So what are the means that is the features of the worker participating in the management, means mentally and emotionally the presence of their take place instead of a physical. And worker participating in the management not as an individual but a collective as a group, means here group of them are representing their ideas. So that is the reason the worker participates in the management means here not only physical, mental and emotional, and the group of persons are involved in that one. That is the reason we are saying that is a communication and consultants of a year express their ideas and contribute to the managerial of a decision. This all comes in a features, means now the level of management participation or worker per present worker participation in management here. Means here information participation, consultative importance here. Means information participation, if I says about this, means here means they will express their views, okay, and receive the whatever the information, means according to the information receives from that one, and they express their views, their ideas, okay, to the matter general economic of importance of that one. That is the information participation, means they are collecting that information, okay, they're collecting the information and they're expressing their views, means general, means the workers, means level of management part, means here workers participate in management here levels, means here they are collecting the information, okay, from that one, and they are express their views. In the same way, the consultative important. The simple thing is a work safety and the health. Means there is a employee welfare such as that is a work safety and health can be taken place. Final decision always be rest with the top level managements here. Means they are just taking the what are the okay employees of the welfare are there. Maybe a team leader is there. So what happens? They are taking that group of the participation of the means workers, their ideas and suggestion. What are the safeties? What are the work and what are the health? So final decision can be taken by the management here. That is the associative participation, administrative participation, and decision participation. If I speaks about the associative participation, means here it is a simple thing is we are saying that is an extension of consultative participation as a management. Means here whatever the obligation to accept and implement the unanimous, means here the manager and workers jointly taking the decisions, means here they are taking the decision jointly here. We are saying that is a unanimous of a decision of the employer, that is the associative participant, means managers and the worker are both are taking the decision, that is a unanimous decision of the employee, we are saying. In the same way manner, administrative participation here is nothing but an alternate for the administration, and employees have to select the best from those for implementation. Means they're having a n number of suggestions are there here. So they are taking the alternate of that one, okay, which is the best they are selecting that one. So ensure that the greater share of a worker participation in a discharge of managerial functions, the decision already taken by the management come to the employee, preferable with the alternate for the administrative. Okay, the employees have to select the best for those for implementing. Means here what happened? The management having a different of a administrative participation, means decisions are there, but they are taking the any one alternate, which is the best. We are selecting that one. Implementation on that one. In the same manner, decisive participation means higher level of a participation where decisions are jointly taken on the matter related to the production. Means here according to the what is the production, what is the cost of that one, what is the welfare, means what is the health and the safety and of the worker we are taking, that is a decisive participation, means highest level of participation, because the worker could not able to take, means so the group of people could not, according to the higher level of a participation can be taken, means higher level of management is taken place by this decision by what are the production, what is the cost of that, what is the labors of the period. So what are the means here the group of a workers are taking, means here we are saying that okay this much of a production we require of this person, means union leader we can say he will take the decision of highest level of a participation, we can say of a their production cost as well as their welfare, their safety and their health. This is the objectives of a workers participation in the management, means here to establish the industrial democracy. You know the democracy after the independence we got of a the worker participation in the management after that, that's the industrial democracy we are saying, to build the most dynamic human resources here, means here we are taking of a human resources here, and to satisfy the workers' social and estimate of a needs there. Okay, what are the means of satisfying their workers? Okay, and for social and the estimate, what are the needs they require that one? We are satisfying that. That is also the worker participation in the management. We are saying the strengthen the labor management cooperation. What are the cooperation between the labor management of a corporation? They will be having thus maintain a industrial peace and the harmony here. In the same manner, to promote and increase the productivity means advantage of the organization workers. If you know that means if you means this if a success in your decisions, success in your work, so what happened, increase in your productivity, which is not only advantage for the, not only useful for the organization as well as the worker. When everything is productivity is increases, when the quality is there, automatically the organization get of a huge wages here, amount is there. So according to us, the worker will get wages here, and they're having a good name in a society at a large. They can enlarge their industries. It is a psychological object is to ensure full recognizing of the workers. Here in the same manner, we are saying that is a collective of a bargaining. Last class we have discussed about what are the bargaining can be direct participation here, and here the work representation here. How can we mean directly represent, and the sectoral policies are there for the board level presentation and financially participation here. And these all are interrelated here. Means here employee involvement piece of till the unfinished of a jigsaw. Means here we are saying this is a all things means worker participation in the management. Means here the worker group of a their one leader, he is a joint leader, whatever we are saying, that is a, he is a joint manager of a council, or we can say that is he is a the group of people are interacting with that person union leader, and union leader is going to be interacting with the management here. So they will be having interaction on that one. So the worker presentation, worker participation in the management we are saying. What are the, these are the forms of worker participation in the management. Suggestion schemes here. Along that one, works committees is there, joint management councils. We are going step by step. Everyone here, there work directors here, co-participate partnership, joint councils, shop councils here. Means here due to their education, negotiation, council with the experts, monitors, health reps, representative, health committee. So here and the study and the research, this all came according to their whatever their committees. Okay. So when the group of people means they if you are working for this one overtime incentives there, according to that one, what are the safety for that, what are the safety for the children. So this all comes in a work participation in the manner, because the management can't take what are the requirement of that one. So the worker participation in the management take this type of a things. This is implemented after the independence. Means 1950 it is got implemented on this one. Means started. Okay, but 1991 the parliament bills is passed. The suggestion schemes. Example, if a suggestion means we are take one box is there. The work means what happened. The box where the workers can write their suggestion and drop into the box. And periodically all suggestions are scrutinized by the suggestion committee, or suggestion screening of a committee. Means what are the suggestions from the previously we are using of a suggestion box, even now also we are using the suggestion box here. Now the grievances we are using here. So what are according to improve their organization, the workers having their own ideas. Okay, so they are using of a suggestion of a box here to express their views, express their ideas. After that there can be scrutinize can be taken place according to their ideas. Worker works committees here. Means here it may be a functioning at a shop floor level day to day. What happened here functioning at a shop floor level, and worker committees means here their condition of a works as a ventilations, lighting, sanitary. Means works committee means here what are the requirement for the workers at what time there, means what is the safety measurements are there, what are the just now I said education ways, health ways, what are the drink, what their water means ventilation, lighting, sanitations, this all amenities of the workers we can say. So there will be having a work committee is there. Committees, what are the requirement of the thing? Means especially what are the especially for the work committees, especially it is mainly known for their accident preventions of a mechanics here, and for their children's for that. Joint management councils here. Joint management councils is a simple things, means wages, bonus, personal problems of the workers here, means how it is can be related, means here the joint management councils are main scope of joint management councils is the main thing to what are the issues related to the accident preventions, okay, and their health issues, and what are the means their facilities. Okay, there will be a means if he is taking a overtime, what are the wages we have to give? What are the he is having a good skills he having? So bonus. So personal problems they are solving that one. That is the according to their water means canteens, revision of a work, rules, absentees of a, and indisciplinary. This all comes in a management joint management councils we are saying here. Now according to what is the work directors means for that one or two representative of a workers are nominated means board of the director we are saying board meeting we are saying means we are electing we are selecting that one or elected by the workers, okay, to from the group from other units are there is n number of units are there we are electing so that he will be a board of the director means he can express because their unit they know that one. So one union leader we are saying or he will be the board of the director, one of the director we can say that. So we are representing of a one or two representative of a workers are nominated to or elect to the board of the directors because all workers could not go to the meeting and we can't express their views. So there will be having the workers are participating in the management and the union leader we are saying express their workers are expressing their views to the suggestion to the union leader. Union leader is he is also they are selecting and representing their to the board of the directors. Co-partnership, which is nothing but a here the which is called a share capital of a companies in which they are employed. Main thing co-partnership is a share capital of the employer means here the shareholders we can say right to participate in the management of the company means here co-partnership is a basically involves employee participation in the share capital or we can say that is a shareholders which is having a they are having a right to participate in the management of the companies here. Joint councils here means here if a having a industrial unit having a employees of a 500 or more than that workers are there, so they will be having a joint council for whole unit just now I said for if having a one unit having a more than so many of a members are there, so only such persons who are actually engaged in a unit cell and a member of a joint means we are selecting one person and we are saying that is a joint council which is if a unit having a more than of a 500 or 500 more than that is a, we are saying that is a joint council. The same manner shop council means here for each department or shop we are having a equal number of represent from the both the employer and the employees means if you are having a each unit having a means from there having a two members are coming here also two members means representing the both the employers and the employee where they are representing from the each means of a department or a shop unit that is a shop council we are saying. Reason very important point here is why the worker participation movement in India gets fails. First thing they think that the worker could not able enough to take the decisions. First thing they are not competent enough to take the decision. They could not able to take the decision making. That is they could not able to having a decision making. The first reason the employer receives the participation of the worker in a decision making. This is the because they feel that the worker are not competent and enough to take the decision. The very means here the worker participant of a movement failure how it can be taken place here means they think that their management think that the workers are could not able to take the decisions here. They are not decision makers here, and even Even if you are taking the decision, they could not able to play the dual roles here of a means of a year spokesman and as it may be a co-manager. So they also think that they could not able to play a place of a dual roles here. Worker represent whole participants in the management have to perform the dual roles of worker, spokesman and a co-manager, and very few representatives are competent enough to ensure the two incompatible roles here. Mean they could not able. They think that they could not able to play the dual roles here. Even for that, very bad thing is that the here is a union leaders. Means union leaders they used to speak about the political interest, but rather than the worker cause. They think that when we are selecting of union leader, they think about their political interest on that one. They are speaking about their political interest to the their to the management instead of the worker of a cause. What are the worker required? What are the workers needs? What are the facilities they want? What are the amenities they want? They could not able to discuss that. They think that. So general trait of a union leader who represent the workers are also active members of various political parties. While participating in the management, they tend to give priority to the political interest rather than the worker cause. And very important point here is the scheme of worker participation have been initiated and sponsored by the government. However, there has been a lack of interest and initiative on the part of both the trade union and the employer. There will be having a lack of interest, means there will be having initiative of a means both having a problem on that one. Even we see that in India, the labor laws of regulate that of a means here they are saying that worker do not feel the to participate in the management. Means according to the Indian of a means of a labor law, they are saying that of a the worker is do not feel to us to participate in the management and having an innate feeling that they are born to serve and not to rule. Means they are having their what in India we are seeing that of a labors they are saying that all times and all conditions they want their laborers or workers are born to work but not to rule. They are not to give the suggestions. They think that one. They are only to do the whatever the work they are given the task they are given there to just to serve but not to rule, not to give the suggestions to them. This is the reason why the worker participation in the management gets fails in India. And even they think that they are participation at a high level can be focused always have been on the participant at a high level and lower level never be allowed to participate much in a decision making of it. We know that one 90% of an Indian or in Indian of organizations we have seen that a higher level only they are taking the decisions of a participation can be taken place by the high level only higher level, but a lower level means of a workers or a label could not able to taking of a decision making in any organization. This is also a very drawback. We have seen that one. And unwillingness of the employer to share the power with the workers. We are saying this one. We are seeing this one also. And a representative and the disinterest of the workers and the perfunctory attitude of the government towards the participation in the management act as a stumbling blocks in the way of promotions of a participation of a management. Here also the same thing means towards the participation in the management act as a means there will be having some reflex on that one and due to their promotions. And the worker participation in the management in India. We have seen that one of the it was started means given important only after the independence means industrial of a disputes in the act of 1947 was the first step in this direction. Means here how the worker participation in the management in India started here. Means joint management was council was established in 1950. The first step is started means after means independence of that one 1947. Then the action joint management councils were established in 1950, which increased the labor participation in the management since July 1975. The two participation called the shop councils at the shop level and the joint council were introduced here. Means after the means first step is taken in our first independent is in 1957 1947, then was established in 1950. Then after it is extended of the 1975 of a participation of a shop council at a shop level. Workers' participation in the management bills, which started in 1990, was introduced in the parliament, which provides a scope for the upliftment of the workers here. Thank you and have a nice day.